Everybody, come and volunteer for the Power of a Cure. Between Austin Street and 71 First Avenue and Continental in Forest Hills. This is our tent.
And he is Leah. Hi everyone, we are here at the Forest Hills Spring Festival with the Forest Hills Volunteer Ambulance Corps, and this is our table. Look, this is our table. This is our friends, also from the 30 by 30. That is our table. It's a little windy, so we're just trying to pang. Okay. There's a lot of people here, lots of exhibitors.
Come on, join. Since tomorrow, 50% off with our partners at Forest Hills.
Yes, because tomorrow starts the National Cancer Survivor Month. So that's the one that Carolina is holding. You go at the Jade Restaurant in Forest Hills and the Forest Hills Pizzeria as well, and you get the 15% off for the full month of June. And here we also have this Ridgewood activation start tomorrow, and this is also for the full month. Just swing by at the Ridgewood. Thank you guys.
Hi, come and join us for the Paddle of the Cure.
Victoria and Carolina, here, join us. Look at our Step and Repeat Paddle with Cure. To join us, just go to our website at www.tfcnyc.org. Hello guys, Leia here from Paddle for the Cure. I'm here right now at the Forest Hills Spring Festival. You see guys, wherever we go out, we're always at the center. So this is our spot. Look, we joined the Forest Hills Volunteer Ambulance Corps, right? You see, we are at the center. There are a lot of exhibitors here. So, lots of foods, music, a lot of going on. It's a little windy, and look at our table. It's a little mess, but still people swing by and say hi to us. So that is our spot. We are at the center. Okay, I'm moving around. Yes. See, Frost is at the back. The sweet green. See? Lot of going on here, guys. My arms is killing me. Okay, guys, look. A lot of vendors, a lot of food, music. What else can you see? Okay. Look at that. Our booth. Paddle for the Cure is always at the center. If we go out, you could always spot our colorful Step and Repeat. All our pink stuff. Here, I'm gonna show you. It's not too much stuff, but just promoting our cause. That is our table. It's a mess up because of the wind. But okay guys, I'm still going. Hi Denise! Hi, hello! My arms is killing me now.
You want me to hold it off?
You want to?
Sure.
Oh yeah, you can go around. You want to go around? You want to interview me? Leia here. So, here is continue.
We're CB6, hi! We represent your voices in the community.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.